Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have we subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. I try and be as annoying as possible in the opening so that you know if you want to stay here or not. If you can't handle that kind of annoyance, you're in the wrong place. Anyway, how are you? We're going to be crafting today. And true to form, I am ill-prepared for this crafting because I just realized I have one glue stick left. So I've got the glue stick that's remaining in here, which is almost out. And this one. Dear Santa, please bring me glue sticks this year. Please, a stocking stuffer full of glue sticks would be amazing. We're going to make some chenille pixies. I've never made a chenille pixie before. I'm very excited. I've only seen it done. And then I wanted them. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, they're these little, you take chenille pipe cleaners like these with the little puffy sleeves on them. And you take little wooden heads, little beads, wooden beads. Some people make theirs. I don't have the ability to make something this cute, so I bought mine on Etsy. Let me show you. Look. So I bought an 8-pack of cute little doll craft heads. Bead heads, 15 millimeter bead heads by Moogla's Market on Etsy. If you're creative and crafty, of course you can paint your own little faces. I'm not going to do it. Know your strengths. Know your crafting strengths. Mine is not making cute little faces on things. Mine would probably look horrifying. But you take the chenille and you make little arms and legs and you put the head on and you can accessorize them with a hat. And some people put a little skirt on them, make them little girl pixies. It's however you want to do it. But I want to make one. I want one. Personally, I want to try them. I've never done it. This could go horribly wrong. Stay tuned. You will need some supplies. You're going to need bead heads, chenille, pipe cleaners, which those are cheap on Amazon, and beads. So I've got a few little beads. These are the hands and feet of your pixies. And then if you need fabrics for the hats or felt or however you want to decorate your pixie. If you want to do a crown, I don't know. You gotta figure that out yourself. I have so much fabric, Christmas fabric. I think maybe I will give him a little Christmas hat. Give her or him, I don't know, it's a pixie, a little Christmas hat. And maybe put one of these, well, I just dumped them all over the floor. Christmas pom-poms from the Dollar Tree. Put the pom-poms on the end. I don't know. We will figure it out as we go, because that's how I do things. I don't plan too far ahead. All right, the glue gun's still heating up, but we can get started on our chenille. Vintage chenille was thicker than this. They did not need to double it up, but I think we need to double it up. So I'm going to. I'm going to cut them in half. I'm being interrupted 1 second. He just wanted to tell me he was leaving me permanently, forever. We'll miss him. Okay. We need to cut these in half. Oh my gosh, my nippers aren't working. This is not exactly high-class wire nippers. I need new nippers. Dear Santa. Also, new wire cutters. I am going to double up my chenille here. Okay. Now, I think that's it. Is that it? Did I just do it? I think her legs are uneven. His legs are even. I don't know. Hang on. Wait, what? Let's make those the legs since they seem longer. I'm gonna have to trim that off. Don't come apart, right? Is it that easy? Did I just do it? What? Really? Okay. Seems like that should have been harder. Huh. We don't have a neck. Should I have had a neck? Is there a step I'm missing? See what I mean? I'm just going to figure it out as I go along. And I'm probably doing it completely wrong. But I feel like there should have been a neck in there. Let's give him a neck. I don't know if this is the proper way to do it, but so I'm doing it. Yeah, now you got a body and a neck. Yeah. See, I feel like he needs a neck. Ow. And I burned myself. They need hands. Yay, I got enough pink to do hands and feet. But let's even out the arms first. Hang on. Does that look wonky? What in the world? Come on. I need different dippers. So that's better. All right. Evened out the arms. Now for hands, they would just, I suppose I could do like a, put their arms together. All right. Give some feet. Woohoo! How cute are you? Okay, you definitely need a hat because this little tuft looks like a little Cupid head. Oh my goodness sake, you definitely need a hat. I found this piece of scrap. This is from an upholstery project that I did. Why do I save these tiny little scraps? Because look, we're going to make a hat out of it. I'm just going to kind of make a cone. And they want a long one. This is probably way too wide. And since that, I'm going to just do this. Fold that like that. there's probably a better way to do this that doesn't involve me trying to figure this out as I go along. I don't know what it could be. We're gonna just seal that up. Not like the old ladies left us destructions. Yep, that's how we're gonna do it. Okay, I'll put some glue on his head. His, her, it's a fairy. We don't know. Leaving his tuft. Ow. I'm just enjoying myself. And then I burned myself. Of course I did. All right. This is like the first pancake. It's going to come out a little wonky, I guess. I should have probably used a thinner material. Ow. Oh, you poor thing. I'm so sorry. Let's try another one. I'm going to use Christmas fabric and not this. I shouldn't laugh. The poor little guy. You know, I'm going to have to try and make is the poinsettias out of these things. You guys ever seen the chenille pipe cleaner poinsettias? They're just adorable, and people make pins out of them, and well, they used to. And they were so cute. Oh, we're calling you Noel. I've named it. It is mine now. I can't go to pet stores. I think things are cute and I got to take it home and name it. Oh my gosh, these could be so cute if you were more talented than me. I'm aware that like little crafty things are not my forte. I am much better with woodworking and things like that, but I enjoy this. This is just pure enjoyment for me. They never look right. I swear. I remember being in Girl Scouts. That was a minute ago. And having to do crafts. And I would love it, but I would get made fun of because mine never looked like anyone else's. Oh my goodness sake. I can't say I improved. I think they look exactly the same. This looks like a little Russian dancer, and this one looks like Noel. Look how cute they are. I don't know why that makes me happy. Okay. So there you have it, my little vintage pixie little looking. Chenille pipe cleaner pixies. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I just think they're cute. I might like hug Victoria's elf on a shelf with it or do something. Put it on a package. Put a ribbon around this one and put them on a package. It's just cute. I just hang them on the tree. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. That made me way too happy for the day. But yeah, I was never like the one that made perfect crafts in Girl Scouts. And I had a troop leader who had no problem laughing at you if your stuff was not as cute as the other kids. And Uh, Mine was always a little different. And these are probably way different than what anybody else would come up with. You make them cute. All right? You make them cute. But I wanted to try them. I wanted to try this for me. So these are not for anybody's enjoyment except my own. And sometimes we need that. We just need to take a minute and do something that makes us happy. And I don't know why. Like, why does this one's body look worse than this one? Like, this one's body is cuter, but this one's hat is cuter. Like, I don't know. You're both cute. I like them. I love them. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy crafting. Happy junking. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.